Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, enter settings and go to display. Here we've got all settings for our display. At the beginning we can change brightness level and set adaptive brightness. Then we can turn on or off blue light filter and night mode. Then we can change font size and font style. Also we can turn on or off bold font. Next we've got screen zoom, screen timeout, and home screen settings. And the last thing is accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, and screensaver. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.